we're going to be amping up on YouTube. I've got a very talented creative videographer working with me.
What a legend.
And it's an investment, you know, like I'm so used to return on investment in marketing, but the reality is like that's a very short-sighted point of view, like that to get sales in the door. To actually build brand and build something sustainable or worthwhile is an investment where there's not an immediate return on investment. But I'm convinced that it's the right thing to do, and the more authentic I can be, the more successful it'll be. YouTube, owned by Google, massive platform, evergreen content, you know, LinkedIn video as well is something that I like because there's no competition, right? Like there's just no competition. Like you can't help but win when it's like new to a platform, right? It's novelty. Like you're scrolling through the news feed, you don't see videos pop up, you know? So of course it's going to capture people's attention, which is awesome. It's still not evergreen. You find videos through hashtags, but if that video hasn't been viewed in 30 days, it disappears at the moment on LinkedIn. But that being said, like you don't not go onto a platform because of that, because platforms are evolving all the time. Like LinkedIn's owned by Microsoft now. You know, like the amount of changes to their algorithm, updates they've made in the last 12 months is huge. They've made phenomenal improvements. So if you're not on the platform, you'll just be starting from scratch when, you know, all of a sudden they do have a video library or evergreen content. Who knows? Like the internet is changing so fast that even marketers can't keep up with it, let alone businesses. It's just getting faster and faster. If I can like record a video, post it straight away, that's the fastest way I can think of to be able to communicate an idea to my audience. So when you get the opportunity to make other entrepreneurs feel comfortable talking about it and sharing, then you know, it's really cool to be able to do that. I've learned how to do it like live in front of an audience even, but doing it in front of like a camera like I am now is very new to me. So I think it's an area where I've got a lot of room to grow. So I'm really excited about it. It's a big challenge and should be a lot of fun.